Well, you never know what will come on you. My house is trashed, it's gone, and insurance won't do anything. And what do you do when you have ashes? You rebuild and pick the pieces up. The water's starting to recede. I was able, foolishly, to go inside my house. I made my boys really angry. You're on live. But those of you that know me know that there wasn't gonna nothing stop me from going in and seeing how bad it was. The things you think of and the things you imagine. You think, oh my gosh, I don't have this, I don't have that. My dad's medication, my medications. I was able to grab a week's worth. Robert said there was a 4-foot wall that came in the house. I don't know if you can see it back there. There's our little cabin, it's flooded. You know, I had a devotional this morning and I was praying and I was already having a bad morning. You think you're having a bad morning because things are difficult. You're not having a bad morning until you have this. I got 3 foot of water in my house. You find out who your friends are and how loved you are. My dogs are all okay. 2 of them were locked in the closet. Brandon went in and got them. Those are our culverts. I don't know where they came from. This will take hours for it to just stop flowing. There's my front door. Hi, not yet.